Understanding the phrase, riffed. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into an interesting English phrase that you might have come across, riffed. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your conversations. The term, riffed, has its roots in music, particularly jazz and rock. A riff is a repeated pattern or a sequence of notes that provides the main theme in a song. From this, the term, riffed, evolved into slang in certain contexts. In modern day, outside the world of music, riffed can be short for reduction in force, riff. It's a term used in the corporate world, particularly in the US, to indicate that someone has been laid off or let go from their job due to organizational downsizing. Now that you know what riffed means, let's see how you can use it in sentences. 1. In a musical context. 2. The guitarist riffed on that tune for a solid 5 minutes. 3. Did you hear that catchy riff in the new song? 4. In a corporate context. 5. I heard John got riffed last week due to company budget cuts. 6. Many employees were worried about getting riffed after the merger announcement. One common misunderstanding is confusing rift with rift, which refers to a break, split, or disagreement between people. For instance, there's a rift between the two co-founders which might lead to problems for the company. It's important to differentiate between the two terms and to understand the context in which rift is being used. And that wraps up our explainer on rift. Whether you're jamming out with friends or navigating the business world, now you're equipped to use and understand this term with confidence. Remember, language is ever evolving, and it's these little nuances that make it so fascinating. Happy learning and see you in the next video.